Alright, what's going on, everybody? This is like my third time trying to record this because I messed up so many times. I'm just gonna teach you how to make a quick, like, whatever wallpaper you guys like. Find it on Google and images. So any type of display like this in new Hondas, Accords, or whatever, you can change the display and have this as your background. All you need is your laptop or PC, and you're gonna need USB. That's in a FAT32 format, and it could be any 8 gig, 4 gig, 16 gigabyte. It'll be good. I will put the description in the description. I'll put the link of the website. You can resize the wallpaper to when you click on dimensions. Click on 1920 by, what is that, 920, no, 936. Yeah, so I have it in the description, don't worry about it. Then you select that image, you download it onto your desktop, and then it will resize it to that. And then once you do that, you download it into your USB. And then once you do that, you come here. The car could be started, whatever. Then you insert here. When you go home, you'll see unsupported. Don't worry about that. You'll see the USB brand here. Don't need to click anything. Just go to clock and click settings, clock faces, and say add new wallpaper. So that's where you will see whatever images you have downloaded on there. So this is what I got, and I'll put start import. And once it's imported, you come down, it's right there, and you press set. So that is now, you click clock again, and then there you go. And then so for instance, if I shut my car off, and then so wait a few seconds, anytime you shut it back on, shut it back on whenever you turn it on again, so it will come right there again. So that's about it, and I'll just check the description. The link is there, and the what size it needs to be in the image. Alright, and then you can remove your USB safely. Just remove it, that's all. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, hit the notification button for your support. Thank you.